Best practice of scripting languages are essential for cybersecurity. The reasons are as below. Hello, everyone! After knowing the basics, we will dive into deep on the cybersecurity field, so if you want to learn cybersecurity, can subscribe us. 1. Automation of tasks. 1. Efficiency. Scripting languages enable cybersecurity professionals to automate repetitive tasks, such as scanning networks for vulnerabilities, analyzing log files, and performing regular security audits. 2. Speed. Automated scripts can perform tasks much faster than manual operations, saving time and reducing the potential for human error. Say, incident response. 1. Rapid response. During a security incident, scripts can be used to quickly gather information, isolate affected systems, and mitigate threats. 2. Consistency. Scripts ensure that response procedures are consistent and reliable, which is critical during high-stress situations. 3. Vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. On custom tools, scripting languages allow cybersecurity experts to develop custom tools tailored to specific needs, such as unique scanning and exploitation tools that are not available in standard toolkits. 2. Exploit development. Understanding scripting languages is crucial for creating and modifying exploits used in penetration testing. 4. Log analysis and monitoring. 1. Real-time monitoring. Scripts can continuously monitor system logs, network traffic, and security alerts to detect unusual activities or potential breaches in real time. 2. Data parsing. Scripting languages can parse and analyze large volumes of data from various sources to identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate security issues. 5. Configuration management and compliance. 1. Automated configuration. Scripts can enforce security policies by automatically configuring systems and applications according to predefined security standards. 2. Compliance checks. Regularly scheduled scripts can check for compliance with security policies and regulatory requirements, ensuring that systems remain secure over time. 6. Education and skill development. 1. Hands-on learning. Learning scripting languages provides cybersecurity professionals with a deeper understanding of how systems work and how to manipulate them, which is essential for both offensive and defensive security skills. 2. Community and collaboration. Many open-source security tools and frameworks are written in scripting languages, facilitating collaboration and shared learning within the cybersecurity community. Let's know about common scripting languages in cybersecurity. 1. Python, widely used for its simplicity and extensive libraries for networking, web scraping, and data analysis. 2. Bash, essential for automating tasks in Unix, Linux environments. 3. PowerShell, used extensively in Windows environments for task automation and configuration management. 4. Ruby, known for its use in the Metasploit framework, which is a popular tool for penetration testing. Scripting languages are vital for cybersecurity because they enhance efficiency, consistency, and effectiveness in various tasks, from automation and incident response to vulnerability assessment and compliance checks. Mastering these languages equips cybersecurity professionals with the tools needed to protect systems and respond to threats proactively.